learning is way more fun with movement. So for this game, all you need are pieces of paper and a marker. You're gonna pick the 2 letters that you've been focusing on for that week. You're gonna place the papers down and prompt your child. Jump to the letter that makes that sound. We wanna focus on the letter sounds first. Jump to the letter that makes that ah sound. Ah, which letter makes our ah sound? Oh, that's right, our A makes that ah sound. See if they can say it with you. When you're moving, when you're jumping, it gets them excited about learning and you're practicing without them even realizing it. Give it a try.